Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Buds, and hopefully I'll be doing a review on these soon. Just gonna get that out of the way real quick while I can. And let's get into this. So I've already taken off the tape because it kind of just saves me a couple seconds video. So in here there's this little paperwork stuff that probably will never ever use. I'll just push it off the side. And before I get into these themselves, I'm just going to go and look what's in here. Let's see. So, there's all the different ear tips. Like small and larger, just mediums like pre-installed or whatever. And then there's just a basic USB-C charging cable. I'll put these all off to the side. And check this out itself. Or just break, thank you. Samsung, very cool. Hold on, I'll have to do this off camera. I'll be right back. I figured out you just have to like slide it off this way, so I'll just kind of hard to do this with one hand, so I'll just stop this real quick. Alright, there we go. So now I've got this off. Samsung, sound by AKG, blah blah blah, the information on the bottom. And I'm just gonna pop from this. Ooh, that feels nice. Yep, that feels definitely good. Shiny black little knobs. Okay. That's pretty cool. Anyway, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the review. Subscribe if you're not already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all later.